In this video I want to show you guys how to buy Boom Baby token on Trustwallet. First of all, I want to mention that this is not financial advice, it's just video tutorial how to buy it. So first of all, go to CoinMarketCap, check the analytics of this coin and make the decision you want to buy or not. After you make the decision, then you can close browser and you need to go to Trustwallet. If you don't have Trustwallet, go to Google Play or App Store and download it for free. After you download and go through verification, then open Trustwallet, and now you need to buy Ethereum, because to buy Boom Baby token you need to have Ethereum, and then you should swap your Ethereum. So first of all, buy Ethereum. You can buy it here on Trustwallet, or you can just send it from any other market. Click receive, copy the address and send Ethereum to Trustwallet. After you will have Ethereum on your account, then you should close Trustwallet and go to CoinMarketCap. Now you need to copy the contract address by clicking the copy icon, go back to Trustwallet and click the apps. Here you should scroll a little bit down and you should choose Uniswap exchange. Now first of all, you should click select the token, paste the contract address we copied in the browser, click import, and then choose amount of Boom Baby token you want to buy, and then swap your Ethereum to it. So this was all, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, you can click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.